Sometimes people say their wishes don't come true, even if they're dreams. Or they'll say that some things in this life are never what they seem, or it may not be legitimate. It's more than meets the eye. That's the nicest way to say that your whole life could be a lie, and that you shouldn't believe everything you hear, because loved ones sometimes lie to us out of honest fear, and they didn't mean to hurt us, and our feelings aren't worthless, but it don't feel any better cause it wasn't on purpose. And it's crazy how some people lie and say that you didn't see what you just saw, or instead of cheating on you, why don't they just break it off? And they act like they're all perfect cause they can't admit their flaw, and just because she faked her orgasm, he said he faked it all. So shut your mouth, I know you're about to lie, so just carry on in silence. It'll save us both some time, cause you broke my heart in two, and you took a piece with you and I came back, because I think you stole the better half, and you have no use for that. You probably cut it up and throw it in the trash, and seeing as that is my better half, and if you don't do that, I'd like to have it back.